Good morning, my students. How are you? Today we want to start with our new grammar. So, our lesson goals for today are 1. To ask and answer the question, what's the weather like? 2. To give positive and negative comments. Let's start. Positive and negative statements. Command sentence, positive and negative. What is a command? A command is an imperative statement. One person orders another to do something. It can be preceded by please. So command الأوامر شخص يطلب من شخص آخر القيام بعمل معين. ولنجعلها more polite أكثر أدبا we use please. Okay, there are four different commands in English: positive commands, negative commands, indirect commands, negative indirect commands. So today we want to take positive and negative commands. Look at this picture. Open your box. There is one command another one to open his box. Okay, let's start. Positive command sentences. Use the simple form of the verb. نستخدم الأسلوب البسيط من الفعل. الأسلوب البسيط المجرد without adding anything. من دون ما نضيف له أي شيء. We use the simple form of the verb. Like close the door. There is the verb close. There is no adding, without any adding. Close the door. Open the window. Here verb is open. Leave the room. Pay your rent. Be quiet. So this is the positive command. One order another one to do something. To make it more polite, we add please. And we use the simple form of the verb without adding anything. Without adding anything. Let's move to negative command sentences. A negative command is formed by adding word don't before the verb. Only we add don't before the verb. Like, don't close the door. In a positive command, we only put close the door. But when we want to make the sentence in a negative form, we add only don't before the verb. نضع don't قبل الفعل. Don't close the door. 2. Please don't turn off the light. 3. Don't open the window. So the negative form, only we add don't before the verb. Let's move to another things. When anyone asks you what's the weather like, there is rules to answer these questions. At first, look to these pictures. There is a cloud and there is a rain falls from the cloud. So when anyone asks you what's the weather like, all you do is put it's at the beginning of sentences. Like it's rainy. I'm sorry, here it's rainy, not it's windy. There is a mistake. Here it's rainy, not it's windy. So only we add it's at the beginning of the sentences. So we add it at the beginning of sentences, and there is a mistake that the weather is raining, not windy. Let's move to picture 2. What's the weather? At first, we look to the picture. There is the sun and the girl is outside. We know that it is a sunny weather. So when anyone asks you what's the weather like, all we do is put it's at the beginning of sentence. That means it's sunny. Here, what's the weather like? Look to the pictures. The picture is show us that there is a low temperatures. That means that the weather is cold. So when anyone asks you what's the weather like, that we only put it's at the beginning of sentence. It's cold. It's cold. Now let's answer these questions. Look at these pictures. There is one command this boy to open the window. To open the window, and we use here a positive command. Open the window. We use a simple form of verb. Here, look here. There is a mom tell her son to wear his coat. Also here we use a positive command like put on, or you don't put on, but the picture show us that the mom tell his son to wear his jacket. So the answer is put on your coat. Picture number 3. That's mean don't open the door. Don't open the door. So the answer is don't open the door. Make it in a negative form. Only we add don't before the verb. So after we're done with the grammar, please answer the question in the class book page 75 and send the answers on my private number to check it. If you need any help, please send to me. Thank you. See you later.